Hail, I'm Angie, witch, occultist, sound healer, and many other things. My message today is now is absolutely the time for magic. If there has ever been a time for magic, it is now.
Circle conjure, circle cast, circle conjure, circle cast, circle conjure, circle cast.
Why? Because this energetic dimensional consciousness shift, whatever you want to call it, that we have chosen to experience is all about seeing things in a different way with magical eyes.
Whoa, like that one.
How do you see with magical eyes? Well, you can go and buy yourself a pair of these. They're very cool. But it's a practice. It's a practice. It's an experiment. It's an experiment, if you like, of allowing yourself to see things with your magical eyes in a different way.
Fear not to become a fool, for fools dare to go beyond what is known. All of what you know today becomes meaningless in the face of tomorrow. Remember that it was once common knowledge that the sun, the planets, and all of the universe made passage around the earth. Fools dared to move beyond that knowledge. It is your task as well, I challenge you, to move beyond the realm of what is known into what will be known. Step off the precipice, my sweet fool, and tumble into uncharted territory, for the power to wonder lies in waiting there.
So the witchcraft, magic work, craft, whatever you want to call it, how we teach witchcraft is we blend it with occult wisdom that myself and my partner Ian we've been practicing since we were very young. We have always, and you can probably relate to this, we've always seen things in a different way. We were the ones who were daydreaming at school, looking out the window. We were the ones who never quite fit in, yeah. So if that's you, and you've always been curious about witchcraft, then come and join us.
So the idea of Sufi grind, if you imagine your spine is like a teaspoon in a cup. So as you move around, your spine, teaspoon, touches the rim of the cup.
We're inviting you to join us as we weave this path and you weave your path. And one of our things that we do is we walk alongside, guiding when necessary. And as you learn and as you grow into your magical persona, we can be there with you. How are we doing this new enterprise is we are offering you, depending on whether you're a witch who's returning to the craft, or if you've never done witchcraft before but you want to, yeah, you can either choose the specific lessons that you want to learn, or you can do the whole 13 lessons. So if you're a complete beginner, my suggestion is you do the whole 13 lessons. And we're doing that via a donation. So every Each lesson you pay a donation, and you then get access to the interactive, very important, yeah, that I was guided to make this a live thing. As okay then. So it's interactive, so you can ask questions on the live call. Yeah, it's all done via Zoom, and we have some people here in person as well who are in our local area. But the important thing is you get to choose. You get to choose which lessons you want to do. If you want to find out more details, just scroll down, and on there you will find how the payment works, the dates for each of the lessons, because it's spread over 13 months. I think right now we're coming up to the third lesson, but you can always catch up with the other 2 lessons if you want to. So it's spread over 13 months, magical number. So all those details are down below. Also, the other thing that is at the bottom of the page is what our past and present students think of our courses. We would love to see you and join us for fun. We do have fun. We laugh a lot. We have fun because, you know, magic work is a serious business, but there's no reason why you can't have fun while you're doing it. That's our philosophy anyway. So if you'd like to come and join us, you can sign up. There's a sign up form, just your name and your email address, and that way I send out reminders and things like that, so you'll never miss a lesson that you want to take. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next lesson. Blessings. Hey to the trees, hey to the trees, hey to the trees.